Big reach up. Big reach out. Hold it there.
We are in the Leahy Physical Therapy Clinic. This is a clinic for underinsured and uninsured members of the local Scranton and Lackawanna community. And it is also a place for the physical therapy students to utilize their skills that they're learning right now in school. They can come down here and work with different patients.
This is very rare in PT schools. Not a lot of schools actually have this opportunity for their students. So we're very lucky to have this clinic here so that we can practice and learn.
Big reach forward.
This is allowing students to utilize the skills they're practicing right now in class, and they could use it on a daily basis. They can learn something in the morning in ortho class, and then in the afternoon, they can go and try that very exact thing with a patient later in the afternoon. There's always a faculty member here who is helping provide the best treatment for the patient as well.
We have high-low tables, which is pretty rare in clinics, the parallel bars, equipment for cardio and warming up, and then also some free weights and things like that.
I love being able to help people get better. The best part about being here is just being able to see people progress. So when they first come in, they may not be able to do something, but being able to work with and through them and figuring out what's wrong with them and just getting them better is a great experience.
There you go. Better.